this guy here. I want to highlight you. Okay. Yeah, I got the U right there. I'm going to turn on my planes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble you now to the front. Okay, I don't want the side there. I want to take a datum plane. That's center. So I'm going to align it to the center of this.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, and I have a distance of 2.5. Okay, there we go. Move in, move out. We use the wheel on this, so that's what that wheel can be programmed for.
Yeah.
So it can move the part in and out, just as you see on the screen. So makes it nice and convenient. So
It's almost like you have to zoom in to get some of those faces.
exactly. Okay, I see what is going on here. See, edit that. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go a little bit bigger on that, so.
And that's the distance from the top
Mhm.
here to there.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
So this theoretically just shows me how much distance I have to work with.
Yeah.
So, and then how far that needs to be set up
Cool.
to work. So now as I do is I just say, okay, well, it's going to be this distance.
Do you usually turn on your planes whenever you're doing some sort of like predictive distances and whatnot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so 8 inches, that should work. We should have something in there. Oop. There we go. Let's see what I got here. 8. Yep. You flip it around,
Mhm.
boom. Then you see where you have it right there, boom. Now you're tied back. So,
Nice.
yeah.
Are those welds strong enough?
They should be. Usually what we do is we'll even probably fabricate some gusset plates to go on here
Yeah.
to make sure that that thing is, not going to bend on you or anything
Yeah.
like that at the base.
Because I would assume maybe putting a tank in there.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
does this tank get pulled out at all?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm,
okay.
mhm.
Yeah.
Once it's finished, they'll pull it out and then they'll drop another one in. So
Gotcha. Do you have to worry about tolerances all for, you know, these are guiding bars is what I consider them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or like how big or are they pretty big? I mean, it looks like a pretty big clearance.
Yeah, and you want that because, you know, you have shrink rates on your rotational molded parts of about 3%.
Okay.
So if you're dealing with that, you know, you could be an inch oversized before you pop it in there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If you got, I'll just give you an example. Let's say that the width of that is 18 inches, so yeah, 0.36 inches. So you want to have it fairly loose. So
Gotcha.
yeah. So it's just a guide. It can be done fairly sloppy. So you want, because these guys are going to be, you know, trying to drop this 25-pound thing in there, so they're just going to, they're. You always want to zoom in and out to see where you're at. So. So is that gonna work? Nah, not yet. So you're always seeing where you're at, so okay. And boom. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.